Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are welcome to our video lectures on AWT. Where the Abstract Window Toolkit is an API to develop the graphical user interface on window platform, right? So already we discussed the theoretical part. In this class, we are going to how to write program and how to no, run this program. So for this, what you need to do, just you create the just you better you project. First, you go where your Java program is there. So you see, my Java program is there in the C drive. The C drive Java program is here. Can you see it here? So in this Java program, just you click it here and type CMD. Okay, and enter. You can see you already entered to the folder CDIT. And here I am using the code space dot dot. So using all the things, I'm going to the Visual Studio Code, right? So Visual Studio Code is already installed. I hope you might have installed in your system. Then you can see already you are in the Java program and you are already in the Java program dot Java. Okay. So in this program, you can clearly see I'm using the java.awt library here. Import java.awt.star. Whatever the things are there, you everything we import semicolon. Then I am creating a class AWT example one. So public class AWT example one extends frame, and here I am initializing using a constructor. What is the class name? Same thing, a method AWT example one. And here uh, I want to create a button. Okay, for creating a button, use the command new. So new button and label it. What is the label we are putting? Click me under double quotations. Put it click me. Okay, and you save it as b as a button. Right. So what is the purpose of these things? You creating a button. Then setting the button positions. For that, what we need to do? B dot set bounds. B dots. What is B? B is the button what you created right now. So this is b dot set bounds we created. Here x is equal to 30, y is equal to 100, and width is equal to 80, and height is equal to 30. So this is actually size of the button, and this is the x coordinate and y coordinate starting from the x axis and y axis, the location you have given. Right. Now for adding this button into a frame, I write add b. Right. Then set the size of this no frame. Frame size. Say suppose I take 300 by 300. Width is equal to 300 and height is equal to 300. Set size width 300, height just write 300 comma 300, automatically it will take, no need to worry of all things, right? Then set title, this is our first AWT example, it takes. Then set layout, so this is null, and set visible, it is true. Okay, it's clear because by default it is not visible. So you write it set visible equal to true, it will be visible. And now what you need to do, so you create the main program or main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Then you create a small frame instance of this frame. A is equal to new AWT example, and this you write in the AWT example. So what you do, up to this you have written the program, you save the program, and the program name is AWT example one.java, right? So then what you need to do here, now you have to compile. How do you compile these things? Java C space file name dot java. So what you have to write? Java C space AWT example one.java. If everything is compiled successfully, then a class will be created. This is the class it is created. Okay. So whatever the things, don't worry for the class at this moment. Class you cannot see, I think. Okay. Whatever things are there. So now with this thing, I'm going to, because you are not still now you are not in that folder. So to okay, okay. Now you can go to CD Java program, CD space Java. You must be there in that folder to run that one. Right? You understand? It is a program. So now you are there in this program. I want to, you already it is compiled. I want to run this program. How to run this program? So for running this program, Java AWT example, you have to run Java AWT Java AWT example one. Okay, I run it here. Once you run, can you see the button it is created? And what is the name of the button it is written? So you can see what we have written here. What is to be displayed? Click me. Click me was there while you are creating the button. I have written click me, change it, log in, you can submit anything you are cancel or reset. or delete. You can put whatever things you write. Okay. So like this, I'm able to create one. See, okay. So now I want to run the second program. Suppose I write another program that is AWT example 2.java. What I do it here first, try to understand this program. Import Java, import space java.awt.star. So I am writing a class. My class name is AWT example 2. All right. So you understand this thing. Then I am initializing with a constructor. That what I example in the previously same thing. I'm creating a new frame app, which is got a new frame. So here I want to create a label, I want to create a button, and I want to create a text field. So I created a new label, employee ID. Okay, the label is employee ID. Then in the bottom, in the box, text box, you have to enter the label employee ID, and in the button you have to submit. Right. Then I write using the new command, new label employee ID semicolon, which is equal to label 1. Then similarly, button B, which is equal to new button, that is submit under double quotation. Then text field T. What is the text field T? T stand for the text field. You got new text field. You know all the things. You know basic of Java. You understand all things. Now, you need to set the position of the above components. The L dot. What is L? What is L? L is the what is L? L is the label. So L dot set bounds. He is telling from x-axis you have to go for 20 unit here, and y-axis you go for 80 unit. So x, y it is fixed. Then width is equal to 80 by 30. Okay. Then T set bounds. What is T text box? Text box set bounds. So x20 y is equal to 120, because above 80, 120 I have to show. So y is equal to 120 and width is equal to 80 30. It keep it same. Similarly, B dot set bounds. What is the B button? This is also x is equal to 100, y is equal to 120. Why x is equal to 100? I am putting it here because so it should be in the toward the right hand side of that one, right? X is equal to 100 and y is equal to 120. Okay. So with this thing, and width height is equal to 80 30, it is constant. Then f dot add, because I want to add all these component into the frame. F dot add b, f dot add l, f dot add t. What is b? B is the button. What is l? L is the mm, no, I already told you label. And what is F? F is the no, what is T? T is the text box, right? Then F dot set size, the frame size you put it 400 by 300, automatically take a height and do it. Then set title is the employee information. Then set layout null and set visibility is true. Then you go for the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Then AWT example, you create an object of that one. So with this, you save this program and you compile this program and try to run this program. If I try to run this program, how do I run? So I have to go for Java AWT example 2. Okay, see it here. Once I run, so it is showing the employee ID. So it is showing, you type the employee ID and you go on submitting. Okay. So for writing the functions, we have not written the coding, only how to create all the things I am showing it here, right? So you can understand all these components I am using. These are all useful while you are developing the apps or whatever the websites you are designing, right? So it is a login page, it is a sign in page, whatever things you do, you will be using either you will be using a label, using will be a text box, you will be using a text area, you will be using a button, you will be radio button, checkbox, all the things you will be using. So in this video, we have discussed only up to these two. Okay. First, how to create a button. Second, how to create a label, how to create an input box, and how to create a button. So in our next video, we'll be covering how to create checkbox, how to create a radio button, all the things I'll tell you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Take care of your health. Have a good day. Bye.